Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue clear slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification subscribe to my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of shampoo. I'm using this 3-in-1 body wash, so this can work as well. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Also, please don't mind my nails. They look really bad because I had to cut my nails so I could use them to type for school and stuff. And now there's just like little stubs at the end. So please don't mind those. I'm trying to get my new nails done this week. But for this recipe, all you have to do is you're going to add your body wash into your bowler plate. Just like this. And this one looks like a little bit watery. So I'm actually going to add a little bit of a shampoo into here. So if your soap is a little watery, add another soap into there to make it a little thickened up. And all you have to do for this recipe is just to mix it up. So I'm going to mix it up now. That is just enough mixing, and now you can see it's a super foggy blue color. It looks just like the shampoo right here. And I'm going to put my lid on it now. And I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to mix it up, make sure it's working, make sure it's getting super thickened up to make no glue slime. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Remember, put it into the refrigerator for 3 hours. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, 3 hours later, here is the soap. Let's see how it's looking. And whoa, look at that texture in there. I did add some more of the shampoo in here, the thickened one, which is the VO5, because I wanted to make it more thickened and stuff. So let's see how this turned out. Oh my gosh. Look at this slime. This made a super thick soap slime. It's still extremely sticky because it's made from soap, so I'm going to try mixing it up by hand and seeing if I can mix it up or anything. Hopefully I can mix it up a little bit, and it's getting super foggy now because obviously when you mix soap, it gets foggy. So I'm going to see if I can mix this up now. So here is the soap after playing with it for about a minute or two. It's super thickened now, and it got really foggy. I was hoping it would be clear because this is a clear slime recipe, but that's okay. I really do love the color though. I'm happy I mixed in this because if I left that alone, that would not make no glue slime, because you cannot make no glue slime with a watered down soap. It just will not make the slime consistency you need. So I'm really happy this turned out and made a really awesome no glue slime. It's super clicky and stretchable, and this will melt after a little while, but that's okay. That's how normal no glue slime recipes work if they're made from soap and you're using a refrigerator. But yeah, this recipe was a huge win-win for me. It was gonna turn into a fail if I only used the frozen one, so I definitely am happy I switched out with this shampoo right here. But yeah. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I haven't done a no glue clear slime recipe in a little bit. So if you guys like this video, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Remember to check out all my social medias, all my new YouTube shorts that have been going up weekly. Check them all out. I really enjoy filming those for you guys. But yeah, I love you guys so much in peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!